Okay, today is December 3rd, 2014. Today I'm going to start a 365-day journal, video journal. I'm going to call it the Victor Report. Sorry, it's the best I can come up with right now. So the Victor Report. So Victor Report, day one, starting again December 3rd, 2014. Now, what's happening today? Well, today I'm in Toronto. That's why I'm in this hotel room, speaking to the Mars Company. I did a speech for them yesterday. Today I go back and do the second one. A lot of candy with regard to Mars. They got like candy bars everywhere. It's just amazing. And so I'm going to speak to them about success and motivation today. But the big news for today is for those of you who've been following me, you know that I was working on a reality TV show. Well, guess what? I got the first cut of the pilot today. And it was really weird to see myself on TV, so the concept is, well, I guess I can't tell you the concept right now, but let's just say I help people in this pilot. It's a 1-hour series, actually 42 minutes without commercials. And so it was really interesting because I got the video. It's all fully edited. It's going to be presented to the network today. I think I can finally say this part, Spike TV. So the network, the executives of Spike TV will be looking at it sometime this week. I think probably tomorrow, actually. And so I'm excited about that. We'll see how it turns out. It was about a week's worth of shooting. And so, again, it was really weird to see yourself on TV. You always have this image of yourself until somebody puts a camera on you. You're like, oh, that's how I look to other people. But in this show, we help a family. I think I can say that much. And it was really interesting to see the ups and the downs with this family. But again, I'm excited about the pilot. I hope it makes it. I think it's one of those TV shows, reality shows that really helps people. And so I'm excited about, I guess seeing it on TV. But anyway, I got the pilot, and that's cool. So, I got a pilot with Spike TV. I can say that. What's funny about that is that I never would have thought or expected that would happen. When I started my career many years ago, in sales, and I left corporate America in officially 2001. And so it's been a long road. And so to have this happen, this TV show, and many things that have happened in the past already, it's really cool. So for those of you who want to follow your dream, there is something to it. I mean, there's a lot of work, though. There's a lot of ups and downs, and a lot of downs for a while. But you can do it. When I left corporate America, it was really tough because it was, I had to start almost from zero, making a great base salary, and then all of a sudden I had to market my stuff on my own, and that became tough. So, but anyway, the news for today is I saw the pilot. I'm happy about the pilot. I'm going to go shave or something, and then get ready for the event later on with Mars. And again, this is the Victor Report, episode number 1, I guess. Sounds corny, actually. But anyway, there it is, episode 1. Anyway, talk to you guys tomorrow. See ya.